Stop what you're doing. This message from Martin Luther King Jr. will move you. I have a dream. 4 words that shook the world. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. delivered a timeless message of equality and justice. He dreamt of a day when people would be judged not by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. King's vision was clear, a world where freedom rings from every mountainside and justice flows like a mighty stream. In his powerful speech, he called for an end to racism and segregation, urging us to rise above hate and embrace love and unity. His words still resonate today, reminding us that the fight for equality is far from over. So, let's keep his dream alive. Stand up for justice, speak out for equality, and never stop believing in a better tomorrow. Because like King said, injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. Let his words be your guide. Together we can make the dream a reality.